Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video we are going to solve one of the most important questions from the chapter of Exponential Equation, which is from class 10 mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, our question is if x square equals 3 power 2 by 3 plus 3 power minus 2 by 3 minus 2, prove that 3x square plus 9x equals to 8. So dear students, in this question, we have to prove that 3x square plus 9x equals to 8 if the value of x square is given as 3 power 2 by 3 plus 3 power minus 2 by 3 minus 2. So let's prove it. Dear students, we are given that x square equals 3 power 2 by 3 plus 3 power minus 2 by 3 minus 2. So dear students, by solving this given condition, we'll find out the value of x, and after getting the value of x, we'll do cubing on both sides, and then we'll get the solution of the given question. Dear students, to find the value of x from the given condition, at first we have to make this expression square. We have to change it into a square form. So let's arrange the term at first. 3 power 2 by 3, then minus 2 writing in the middle, plus 3 power minus 2 by 3. So dear students, to get the value of x, at first we have to change the expression of right hand side into a square form, because the expression in the left hand side is given in the square form. So dear students, this expression we can change into a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So let's change it into a square. To change the first term into a square form, we write down 1 by 3 inside the bracket, 3 power 1 by 3, then we'll put square power 2, because 1 by 3 times 2 we get again 2 by 3, then minus 2. So the middle term will change into 2ab form, 2 as it is, 3 power 1 by 3, this is our a, because this expression we are going to change in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the first term we suppose as a. So first term we have supposed in the form of, we have changed in the form of a square. Now the middle term we are going to change in the form of 2ab. So 2 means keeping as it is, already 2 is given in the question. A means we write down the base of the first term, which is 3 power 1 by 3. And the term b we take from the last term, because this term we are going to change into b square form. So the term b we can get from the last term. So dear students, the term b, let's write down 3 power minus 1 by 3 plus, now b square means 3 power minus 1 by 3 square. So if we change 3 power minus 2 by 3 into square form, then we'll get 3 power minus 1 by 3 square. So dear students, the expression of the right hand side we have changed in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square form, or x square as it is. Now this expression is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as a minus b whole square. A means 3 power 1 by 3 minus b means 3 power minus 1 by 3 whole square. So dear students, we know that the formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the expression in the right hand side we have exactly in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as a minus b whole square. So using the formula of a minus b whole square. Therefore, now this is an exponential equation. Both sides, the power are the same. The power of the expression of the left hand side and the power of the expression of the right hand side, both are same. So if the power are same, according to the rule of exponential equation, in an exponential equation, if the power are same on the both sides, then we can write the base equal. So we get the value of x 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3. So dear students, equating the base of the exponential equation, we get the value of x equals 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3. So dear students, this is the value of x. Now we are going to do cubing on both sides. This expression, now we are going to do cubing on both sides. So dear students, the value of x, we have got 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3. The value of x, we have got 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3. So let's do cubing on both sides. Let's do cubing on both sides of the value of x. Then this will be x power 3 and this will be 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3. So dear students, after cubing on both sides, we get x cube equals to 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. So now let's use the formula of a minus b whole cube in the expanded form. We know that the formula of a minus b whole cube in the expanded form is x cube equals, the formula of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Either we can write in the expanded form or we can write in the short form also. The formula of a minus b whole cube we can write as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. So dear students, let's put the value of a and b. The value of a and b. The value of a is 3 power 1 by 3. So power 3 means whole cube minus the value of b. The value of b is 3 power minus 1 by 3. And this whole cube, keeping as it is, minus 3. A means 3 power 1 by 3. And b means 3 power minus 1 by 3. Then again we have a minus b. That means 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3. So dear students, so by putting the value of a 3 power 1 by 3 and the value of b 3 power minus 1 by 3 in the formula of a minus b whole cube, we have got this expression. Now 3 and 3 we can cancel. 3 and 3 we can cancel. Now we have got 3 minus 3 power minus 1. So dear students, so after cancelling the power, we have got 3 power 1, that means 3 power minus 1. So the remaining terms are 3 minus 3 power minus 1 and 3 as it is, 3 power 1 by 3 and 3 power minus 1 by 3 will be 3 power 0, because in multiplication we have to add the power. So this will be 3 power 0, or directly we can cancel also because the power are just opposite of each other. Now 3 power 1 by 3 minus 3 power minus 1 by 3, it is the value of x. So we can replace this by x, or x cube equals 3 minus 3 power minus 1 means 1 by 3 minus 3x as it is, or x cube equals 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 1 by 3 minus 3x. Dear students, now we can write this as x cube minus 3x. Let us move this side, then we'll get plus 3x. 9 minus 1 means 8, 8 by 3. So dear students, our solution is now 3 into x cube, 3x cube plus 3 3s are 9x equals 8. So this is the required solution of the given question. So dear students, Here we need a little bit correction in the question. Here the power must be 3. Dear students, we have got the solution of this question. The solution is 3x cube plus 9x equals 8. So thank you for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.